Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Excellency Kiai Haji Muhammad Hasan Mutawakil Allah SHMM, as the caretaker of Zainul Hasan Genggong Islamic Boarding School, the Honorable Dr. Abdul Aziz Wahab BA MAG as the Rector of UNZA, the Honorable Ms. Suhayul Lestari MPD as the Dean of Scientific and Education Teaching Faculty, the respectable Mr. Nawawi Ivan MPD as the lecturer of speaking trade. Hello everyone, my name is Balkis Medatul Jannah. In this presentation, I will explain one of the most trending and widely discussed social issue today, which is the mental health crisis among teenagers. This issue has become a global concern because the number of teenagers experiencing anxiety, depression, and mental exhaustion continues to rise every year. I will explain the main problem and the impact on the life of teenagers today. Mental health crisis among teenagers. Point 1. Increasing anxiety and depression. The first problem is the rising number of teenagers experiencing anxiety and depression. Many reports show that today's teens face much bigger pressure than previous generation, from academic stress, friendship, to family expectation. All of these factors make them more vulnerable to severe stress. Point 2. Pressure from social media. Social media is one of the biggest sources of stress. Teenagers often compare themselves to others, feel they are not good enough, and fear being left behind. FOMO, or the fear of missing out, makes them feel they must always appear perfect. Meanwhile, social media posts often do not reflect real life. Point 3. Lack of emotional support. Many teenagers do not have a safe space to talk. Parents often don't realize their children need to be heard. Even friends might not fully understand. As a result, teens keep everything to themselves, which worsen their mental condition. Point 4. Stigma in seeking help. The next problem is the stigma surrounding seeking help from psychologists or counselors. Many teenagers are afraid of being labeled as weak or dramatic. This stigma prevents them from asking for help even when they are deeply struggling. Point 5. Impact on academic achievement. The mental health crisis will likely affect learning. Many teenagers lose motivation, struggle to concentrate, or frequently skip classes. It's not that they don't want to study, their minds are simply overwhelmed. Impacts of mental health issues. Point 1. Concentration problem. The first impact is reduced focus. Teenagers with high stress often can't concentrate in class or when doing assignment. This is not due to laziness, but because their minds are filled with constant worries. Point 2. Decreased motivation to study. When mental health declines, motivation also decreases. Tasks that used to feel simple began to feel overwhelming. Teenagers feel incapable, lack confidence, or lost interest in the things they once enjoyed. Point 3. Risk or harmful behaviors. Teens who do not receive proper support might turn to negative outlets such as smoking, alcohol, or risky behaviors. Their actions are not solutions; they are simply ways to escape from problem temporarily. Point 4. Social relationship problem. Poor mental health often harm social relationships. Teenagers become easily irritated, withdraw from others, or feel uncomfortable in social settings. This can make, make them feel increasingly lonely and isolated. Point 5 is declining quality of life. If left untreated, mental health issues can reduce overall quality of life. Teens might struggle with sleep, appetite, energy, and daily functioning. This is dangerous if it continues long term. So, from both slides, we can see that the mental health crisis among teenagers is a serious issue that must not uh, be ignored. There are many causes from social pressure to a lack of emotional support. The impacts are significant, affecting education, behavior, and everyday life. As a society, we need to create safe spaces, our support, and remove the stigma around mental health. Hopefully, this explanation increases our awareness and encourages us to care more about this issue. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.